Ka Bosco Integrated Development Society kala Pynlong ka job fair ha ka sipautari unay lar hajar pulai Don Bosco Technical School Shillong. Lapli ka program de ikong A Kharpor Director DECT Shillong ha ka jinga don rengkat I Father Paul Olingkot INS Provincial bat kiwe. Ha ka tega singira don hadu lai pusau tuli ki company paper ban aila de ki khna samla ki bapule Don Bosco Technical ki bahap Meghalaya kita ki badena jowai nongston bat Shillong.
As the director of DECT under the Labour Department, it is so heartening to see. It is a joy to see such a good response. I learned that there are 34 business houses that are participating today to provide openings, to provide placement opportunities for our skilled youths. When we talk about skilling, it is, it is the most talked about, the most important parlance in, be it national, be it state, or be it international sphere. Skilling has taken a very important place in the modern world, and we have seen this, that skills or skilling or skill development has cut across into the jurisdiction of regular education, where we have in our country the implementation of NEP, the National Education Policy, which has dovetailed or imbibed in it skilling as a very important component. And why is this so? Because skilling, it has been found that skilling or skill development is the best sphere or the best arena for providing opportunities to the youths to build up their career. It's the best job opportunity provider. So today I take this opportunity to encourage our youths to go for long-term or short-term skilling programs. There are various long-term, short-term skilling programs provided through the various ITIs of the government or private as the Don Bosco Technical Schools. We have ITIs in all the districts and even in the subdivision level at Sora. Once you have been certified as having a specific skill, don't remain stuck there. Enhance your skillings by taking opportunities of enhanced skillings or various other skillings provided by the various stakeholding departments. Register yourself in the employment exchanges, because employment exchange gives you a very good opportunity for placements. There is a special portal for specific skill registration, and various employers, both at the state level, national level, and even international level, they come with requisition for youths with special skills, So take this opportunity be informed and take opportunities of the various schemes and policies, projects that are there.
It is really my joy to be with you this morning, and I would like to congratulate the skill development of our province here, definitely, and the leadership of James, Reggie, with the whole council that we have, and all the principals and the whole team for the commitment, for the dedication, the love that you have for our young people. Thank you very much today in the name of the congregation and name province. I will thank each one of you for this. And I would like to congratulate once again for this Job Fair 23, the Campus Medical School, together with Bosco Integrated Development Society, BITS, and all of you who are responsible for this. Dear dynamic youth of today, congratulations on being part of the vibrant tapestry of the Job Fair 2023. Today, we gather not just to explore job prospects, but to embark on a journey of self-discovery, growth, and limitless potential. As you step into this arena of opportunities, let your spirits soar and your aspirations take flight. In the world teeming with innovation and transformation, you stand at the forefront of change. Each of you holds within the power to shape the future, to carve out your unique path, and to leave an indelible mark on the canvas of time. The doors you open today are not just entryways to jobs. They are gateways to a realms of possibilities waiting for your exploration. But young people, see beyond the tables and brochures which I'm going to explain in a few moments. So many tables are there, and so many brochures you receive from different companies. But envision these stalls, my dear young people, as gateways to your dreams. Remember this, as gateways to your dreams, all the stalls are here. Every conversation that you're going to have, every connection you make has the potential to alter the course of your life. Whether you are drawn to technology's enchanting dance, the canvas of creativity, the realm of finance, or the healing touch of healthcare, your journey begins here today. Your journey begins here today, my dear young people. Remember, my dear young people, success is not an end destination. It is a thrilling expedition. Embrace the inevitable hurdles as opportunities to learn, to grow, and evolve. Let setbacks be the fuel for your determination, and obstacles mere stepping stones towards your ultimate goals. My dear young people, the path you tread may seem daunting, but remember, every great story is woven with challenges. Your journey today will be your own, unique and incomparable. Embrace it with unwavering courage, resilience, and uninsatiable hunger of growth. Just as a diamond shines brightest under pressure, you too, my young people, will dazzle as you overcome obstacles. Embrace lifelong learning, for knowledge is the currency that propels you towards your dreams. In this ever-evolving landscape, those who adapt and learn will be a true architects of progress. Above all, my dear young people, so many of you are here, hundreds of you are here. Believe in yourself. Very important is what? Believe in yourself. Do not believe in your parents. Do not believe on your friends. Most important is to believe in yourself.